Welcome! In this video, we'll configure Amazon S3 to offload WordPress media using Next3 Offload. Start by logging in to the AWS Management Console. From the dashboard, search for IAM and open the IAM service. This is where we create the identity that Next3 Offload will use to interact with Amazon S3. In IAM, go to Users and click Create User. Enter a username and keep Management Console access disabled so the user has programmatic access only. When assigning permissions, attach the Amazon S3 Full Access policy. This allows the plugin to create buckets and manage media files. After creating the user, open the Security Credentials tab and generate an access key. Save the access key ID and secret access key securely, as these will be used in WordPress. Next, return to the AWS console and open the S3 service. Click Create Bucket, enter a unique bucket name, and select your preferred region. In the Object Ownership section, enable ACLs and keep ownership set to Object Writer. In the Block Public Access section, disable the public access blocks intentionally. After reviewing the settings, create the bucket and confirm it's ready to store media files. Now switch to your WordPress dashboard. After installing Next3 Offload, activate it by entering your license key, then click Next. Choose your website type, optionally enable media offload, image optimization, and database optimization, and click Next to continue. Here, you'll see the full list of cloud providers supported by Next3 Offload. Choose Amazon S3 as the storage provider. When prompted, paste the access key ID and secret access key you generated earlier, then select the correct region. In the Cloud Configuration step, choose to select an existing bucket and pick the bucket you just created. Save the configuration and complete the setup process. After the wizard finishes, open the Next3 Offload dashboard. Review the storage settings where you can control path structure, year and month folders, and object versioning. In the delivery settings, review how media is currently being served from S3. To confirm everything is working, go to Media in WordPress and upload a new image. After the upload completes, open the media library and check the file details. You'll see Amazon S3 listed as the provider, along with the bucket name and region. Copy the file URL and open it in a new browser tab. The image loads directly from S3, confirming that offloading and public delivery are working as expected. Now let's change the access behavior. Return to the S3 bucket in AWS and open the Permissions tab. Enable Block All Public Access and save the changes. Once this is applied, direct access to S3 object URLs is no longer allowed, even though the files remain in the bucket. Back in WordPress, open Next3 Offload and go to Delivery Settings. Enable delivery using presigned object URLs and save the settings. This changes how media is delivered, allowing WordPress to generate secure, time-limited URLs while keeping the bucket private. Refresh your site and open the same image again. Even with public access blocked, the media continues to load correctly because it's now being delivered through presigned URLs. You've now successfully connected Amazon S3 with Next3 Offload, verified media offloading, and clearly seen how presigned URLs allow secure delivery from a private bucket. This approach improves performance while keeping your media protected.
Thanks for watching and happy offloading.